Tes Mishnah Daled. The Mishnah continues with a theme which is really unrelated to Hilchos Shabbos, and it is mentioned here in this series of Mishnayos which all contain the Lashon of Minayin, of where is something, and also has an asmachta, brings some sort of pasuk which brings proof or support for something. And the Mishnah reads as follows: Minayin lesicha shehi kashtia b'yom HaKippurim. How do we know that sicha, anointing, is like shtia on Yom Kippur, is like drinking on Yom Kippur? Now we know the Mishnah says, it's a Mishnah in Yuma Perik Ches, the first Mishnah, Mishnah Aleph. The Mishnah says that there are certain restrictions of what we can and cannot do on Yom Kippur. And the Mishnah says that there are 5 restrictions. Achil and shtia is one, eating and drinking is one. Sicha, anointing one's body with oil, is the second. Wearing shoes is the third. Rechitza and tashmish hamita, and cohabitation, marital relations, the 5th one is also. Now, only achila and shtia is an issa kores, is an issa which is certainly also min Torah, and is issa kores if a person eats or drinks on Yom Kippur. The others are probably not even also min Torah, but they're also midrabanan or maybe min Torah. But what the Tana is doing in our Mishnah is saying, how do we know that sicha, anointing oneself with oil on Yom Kippur, is like shtia? So the Bartner says, lo shtia mamish, not mamish like drinking and eating, lechiyuvi ale kares, to make you chayav kares if you anoint yourself with oil on Yom Kippur, and a shehi asura is some that it's osa. And again, it's probably not osa min Torah, rather it's bringing this pasuk not as a proof that it's also min Torah, but rather as an asmachta ba'alma, just a general support or illusion. So how do we know that? So says the Mishnah, afal pi she'en raya ledova, even though there's no clear proof, zeichel ledova, there's some sort of hint to it in the pasuk, because it says vatovoi kamayim bekirbai, that the water should go inside of him, v'chashemen ba'atzmosev, like oil onto his bones. So since the pasuk in Tehillim, it's pasuk in Tehillim in Kapitel Kuf Tes, pasuk Yud Ches, that since the pasuk compares anointing the body with oil to drinking water, so you've got some sort of illusion. The Tiferes Yisrael points out that it's not a very strong illusion, because it could mean Vatove Kamayim Bekirbo, not for drinking purposes, but for washing purposes. And therefore you're only comparing Rechitza to Sicha. But either way, the Tana brings it as a smach, as an asmach to compare Sicha to Shtia on Yom Kippurim. That is the end of Mishnah.